In this video, I will show you that how can fix this device is not compatible with this version. So let's fix it. Keep tap on this play draw and it will open up this little window where you'll get this option to open up app info from here. From this app info, you need to open this storage and cache. You have to clear cache from here, click back, and then you'll find at this 4-stop option. If you tap on that and confirm it, then you need to open this storage and caching and simply clear storage from here. It will help you to clear app data. And this includes file settings, database, and other app data. Click OK to confirm it. And then if you search for PUBG or any of app where you are facing this fixed device is not compatible problem, then simply try install it. That's the easiest process to fix device is not compatible with this version in just few easy steps. And that was all. Subscribe, it's free.